Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 3, CQ number 1 and 2. I am telling again, it is chapter 3, CQ number 1 and 2. So look here, this is our lecture number 16 and homework number 12. So dear students of class 6, let's start. So look here, it is also written CQ 1 and 2. Look at the estimate first, then the question, then answer. The yard of Majid, a farmer, gets filled with straw empty grains and leaves in every threshing season of crops. As a result, the environment surrounding the house becomes dirty and unhygienic. With the advice of the sub-assistant agricultural officer, Majid adapted the method of utilizing the wastes and applied this to his agricultural field. Number 1, what is called organic matter? Now look at the answer. A number, organic matter in the soil are created as a result of decomposition of plants and animals and dead body. Homestead plants, vegetable wastes, leaves, straws, stools of animal, etc. About 5% of such materials are present in the soil. Now B number, the crop production of field depends on soil texture. Explain. Answer, soil texture is formed by mineral particles which are less than 2 mm in diameter. The comparative quantity or percentage of ratio of sand, silt and clay particles in the soil is called soil texture. As soil texture is formed by sand, silt and clay, it is very easy to determine which soil is suitable. Next, okay, suitable for which kind of crop. For example, sandy soil is suitable for potato, watermelon, millet, etc. cultivation. Loamy soil is suitable for all kind of crops. Clay soil is suitable for rice, jute, sugar cane and cultivation, etc. cultivation. Thus, a farmer can very easily determine the suitability of soil by observing its texture. Now questions number C. How will Majid utilize the wastes of his house? Explain the method. Answer number C. Every year during the threshing season, Majid's yard gets filled with straw, empty grains and leaves. He is disgusted of the dirty environment and looking for a way out. Look at the answer. He talks to the local agricultural officer. They advise him to utilize the wastes in his agricultural fields. With the advice, he starts decomposing those waste materials for using in the field. After decomposing, he will use this in the field or as organic fertilizer. This will increases the fertility of his land, and as a result he will be able to get a good crops or good harvest. However, he will get a dirt free and hygienic environment surrounding his house. Questions number D. Analyze how Majid's decisions will influence his agricultural activity. Answer, Majid's decisions of taking to the agricultural officer about wastes management influence his agricultural activities to a great extent. Following the advice of the agricultural officer, he will decompose the wastes to use them in agricultural fields. It will enhance the fertility of his field. He will be able to get a good harvest. On the other hand, he will be gifted with a dirt-free and hygienic environment surrounding his house. Thus, he will be benefited from these two sides. Now, our CQ2. CQ2, look here. There is a stem like this one. Group, name of the particles, classification of soil, crop characteristics. A, 70% sand, questions mark, a kind of melon, fruity, a kind of melon, bangi, watermelon. B, 40% sand, loamy, questions mark. C, 60% sand, question mark, make the land suitable for rice cultivations. Now look at the directly answer questions. What is called soil? Answer, soil is a natural body and a mixed materials, and it is formed when rocks erode naturally with the passage of time. Questions number B. Why organic matters are called the life of soil? Explain. Organic matters are called the life of soil because these materials increase the fertility of soil naturally. Moreover, it improves the biological, chemical and physical characteristics of the soil, checks and soil erosion, makes the air and water movement of the soil easier, controls soil moisture and temperature, and many more. Questions number C. Explain why the soil in group C can be made suitable for rice cultivation. Group C, look here, 60% sand. Answer, The soil mentioned in group C is called clay soil. The presence of sand particle in this kind of soil is 60%. It contains 40% of clay particles. Silt particles are also present more in this soil. This kind of soil is very much difficult to plough. This soil can be made suitable for cultivation by applying organic fertilizer. As the presence of sand is more in this soil, it has the high water holding capacity. Thus, the characteristics of soil makes it quite suitable for the cultivation of rice. Last questions. Which soil in the chart is the best for crop cultivation? Give reason. Look at the answer. The soil mentioned in group B is the best for crop cultivation. This is loamy soil. As all kinds of particles are present in this soil in equal amount, it is suitable for any kind of crop productions or crop cultivation. It is the neutral soil. This kind of soil has the highest water holding capacity. This soil is divided into three categories. So look, sandy loamy soil, silt loamy soil and clay loamy soil. Thus all particles together make it a suitable soil for cultivations. Our last segment, it is homework. So look here, this is our 12th number homework and chapter 3 CQ number 1 A, B and C. So look here, from chapter 3 there are 2 CQ we have learned. Only your homework is chapter 3 1 number and A, B, C. Only answer. Okay, very easy. Dear students, I hope that you have understood these 2 CQ from chapter 3 CQ number 1 and 2. Please do your homework. Only answer. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.